All right, you guys, we want to take a second to talk about switching back and forth between logarithmic and inverse, logarithmic and exponential functions. Sorry, y'all. So we're going back and forth between logarithmic and exponential functions. So we said since these two are inverses, we can switch back and forth. And when we switch, we said that our x and y will change, but our bases stay the same. So base stays the same, but x and y change. So let's look at a quick example. If I have an exponential function, we'll say 4 to the second power equals x. My base is going to be the number attached like at the bottom of my exponent. My x will be whatever is in my exponent, and my y will be whatever is on the other side of the equal sign. So if I'm going to rewrite this as logarithmic, I will have log. We said our base stays the same, so my base will stay 4 of, now my x and my y are going to switch, so we'll have of x equals y, which will be 2. In the same way, I can go back and forth with my logarithmic functions. So let's say that I have log base 3 of x minus 2 equals 6. So in this case, my base is going to be the baby number, the bottom of my log. My x is going to be whatever is in my argument, whatever's in my parentheses. So all of this right here is going to be my x. And my y will be whatever is on the other side of my equal sign. So if I was to rewrite this as an exponential, I know that I will start with my base, 3, and my x and y will switch. So now my y will come up here, and my exponent equals whatever my x was, which is x minus 2. And that is how we switch back and forth between logarithmic and exponential functions.